qualified customers save about 30% on average. Your HSA and FSA dollars can do more than you think. Truemed is the pioneering telehealth and payments company that unlocks your healthcare dollars for preventative healthcare. Browse the Truemed marketplace for thousands of products that may qualify, from fitness equipment and supplements to sleep tech, saunas, and recovery tools across 3,000 plus brands you already trust. Pick a product to continue your purchase. At checkout, choose Truemed, pay with HSA, FSA. Complete a health survey, then pay with your HSA or FSA card to finish your purchase. An independent licensed practitioner reviews your survey, and if you qualify, you'll receive your letter of medical necessity. Don't see Truemed at checkout? No problem. Pay with any card, then follow 3 simple steps. Complete the health survey. Receive your letter of medical necessity if you qualify, and submit it to your HSA or FSA administrator for reimbursement. That's it. You've invested in your health. And if you ever have questions, our team is here to help. Your HSA and FSA dollars are waiting. See what you may qualify for at truemed.com.